So we're in Yevamot, Perek Yud, Mishnah Tet, 9th Mishnah. Ben 9 shanim v'yom echad, a child who is 9 years old in one day, sheba al yivmato, that he married his Yebama. Had relationships. And a relationship made a marriage. But let's say he only did it, in our case, for the sake of marriage. Which means he doesn't live with her. Oh. He had a relationship, then he continues to live his life. He takes care of her, from his money or whatever it is. Oh. But he's not let's say. ומשהגדיל נשא אישה אחרת. After he became, let's say, he's 20 now, he married a second wife. Yeah?
Question if it's a second wife or it's a first wife.
No, that's not the question. That's not the question. Yeah, he's allowed to marry a second wife. We don't care about that. Yeah, he's allowed to marry a second wife. He's a man. He's allowed to marry as many wives as he wants.
Why call it second wife if he didn't marry the first wife?
No, he did. It's a yibum. It's a yibum. The Be'ilah was the yibum, was the kiddushin. The problem is going to be he did not ba'alota again after he was 13 years old. He only did one Be'ilah, and that one Be'ilah was from the rabbis. That's going to be a problem. Umet belo banim. And he died, he doesn't have any sons now. Im lo yada et harishona mishehegdil, if he was never again with the first wives, once he becomes an adult, shelo ba le'malacha shegdil, harishona, so what happens? So the first wife, hayebama, choletzet velo mityabemet. She does chalitza and not yibum, because we're not going to say it didn't catch 100%. So we don't want to make a yibum, because maybe you can't make a yibum because she's still connected to the first husband. Her first husband, not this guy. Her first husband, she's connected. And like we said before, two husbands doesn't work. לפי שזיקת שני ייבומים עליה. Because she's not 100% out of the hands of the first husband. If he would be with her after 13, then she would be 100%. Only the second husband. Or the first husband wouldn't catch hold on her anymore. Let's put it this way. הואיל וביאת הקטנה, הקטן דינה כמאמר. Like we learned before, when he is having a relationship before he's 13 years old, from 9 days, it's just like a mimer. He doesn't have the strength. ונמצא שעדיין לא יצאה מזיקת הייבום. And we find that she still is connected to the first husband, הראשונה. כמו שביארנו במשנה הקודמת. And the second one. So before we said, the second one, לא פליג. What do you mean לא פליג? Since we're afraid of other cases, you remember, since we're afraid of other cases, also give her a chalitza, not a yibum. Because people are going to go, no, first wife, second wife. And that's what we said before. והשנייה, but over here it says, no. חולצת או מתייבמת. You can do yibum to the head. That goes against the Mishnah that we learned before. What's going on over here? ואף על פי ששנינו, even though we learned before, בגדול שעשה מאמר ומת, that Maimar has a certain strength. And this is like a Maimar. And what do we learn about a Maimar? שאף אשתו הגמורה חולצת ולא מתייבמת. We said that she needs חליצה, לא מתייבמת. Because people are not going to know. מגזירת בעלת המאממה. We made the decree all the way through. מכל מקום לא גזרו ביאת קטן. So over here, since it's a strange case, everybody knows that it's a strange case that he came upon her 9 days when he was 9 years old. People are not going to think, they know it's not a regular case. So they're not going to make the mistake. So it was an iffy case then. So you don't make this decree. שלא עשו חכמים ביאת בן 9 כמאמר גדול לדחות את הצרה מהייבום. The sages did not make a decree in such a case when it's a small guy, because the small guy in itself it's a special case and people are not going to make that mistake. Okay. ויש מפרשים, there are those who explain שאומנם משנתנו חולקת על המשנה ההיא. They say, no, this Mishnah is actually, we do consider, Chachamim do consider is the same. So why over here it's allowed, not allowed? Because this Mishnah goes against the other Mishnah. The other Mishnah was said by one person, this is said by another person. They're not agreeing. שכן התנא של המשנה הוא סובר, and they hold that the first Tana of the Mishnah, he thinks, שגזרו חכמים שמא יאמרו, that the decree of the sages, why are they worried about? They might say, שתי יבמות הבאות מבית אחת מתייבמות. They're going to learn that there's two yibums, and you can have two yibums. לכן אף צרתה אינה מתייברת, and therefore also her צרה is not מתייבמת. וכיוון שעוסק התנא בגדול, because over there the Tana is holding in an adult. Shana hadin begadol. He tells you the law when it comes to an adult who makes the relationship, makes the yibum. Vehu adin lekatan, and it's the same ruling for a small. That was the previous Mishnah. Ve'ilu atana shel mishnatenu, and the Tana of our Mishnah, eino gozer mishum shnei yebamot habaot mebayit achat. He doesn't make a decree of two yebamot that comes from the same husband. V'nakat atana katan, hu'il ve'asak bekatan. And he thinks that it is a small person. Over here it is talking about a 9-year-old because that's what the case is. Hu'il ve'asak bekatan. But he says, I'm going to say the same thing about the gadol also. I disagree with you. I disagree with you that people are going to say that. Aval hu adin begadol. Okay. Stop over here. Then we have this, Rabbi Shimon comes to the picture. You remember Rabbi Shimon from before? Rabbi Shimon says, meyabem le'ezo shi'irtze. He's allowed to do a yibum to whoever he wants. What is... Yeah, like the other Mishnah. שלדעת רבי שמעון ביאת בן 9 ספק קונה קניין גמור, ספק אינה קונה כלל. According to Rabbi Shimon says, either he is married, either the 9-year-old is married or he's not married. ואם קונה קניין גמור, if you're going to tell me he's married to the first one, הראשונה אשתו, ומותרת להתייבם, then the first one is his wife. What do you want? 100%. And if she's not married, if he doesn't do anything, then she's not his wife anyway. It was just a relationship. What are you worried about? ואם אינו קונה, and if he doesn't, he didn't acquire her when he was 9 years old, לא הייתה אשתו של הקטן מעולם. She was never his wife. Even after he became an adult, she's not going to be his wife. He never did anything with her. Yeah. It's just relationship. It's just relationship. It's not marriage. ואין עליה זיקת יבום של במת הראשון. And she doesn't have the first husband on her. וחולץ לשנייה. But he does chalitza to the second one. Because there's a safek, he might be married to the first one. שמא ביאת בן 9 שנים אינה קונה. Because maybe the second, the marriage of the first is not. Like you say, it's a safek. ונמצא שלא קנה את הראשונה ואין הן צרות. And therefore, they're not married, they're not sister wives. They're not coming together to the yibum. אלא כל אחת זקוקה ליבום מכוח אח אחר. The first one still needs a yibum because of the first brother that died. And the second one needs a yibum because of this guy that died. It's two different brothers. אבל אינה מתייבמת, but we don't make a yibum, שמא קנה, because you don't know, maybe he did buy her, and then she's out already. ואסור לייבם שתי יבמות הבאות כאחת, and then she's like still connected to two brothers, maybe not. Okay. A new rule that we're going to learn now, אחד שהוא בן 9 שנים ויום אחד, these two Mishnahs refer to a 9-year-old that made the kinyan, but there's another guy who's 13 years old that makes the kinyan, who we're not sure there was a kinyan. Who is he? ואחד שהוא בן 20 שנה, and another guy, he's 20 years old, so what's the problem? He's 20 years old, it's a kinyan. He says, no, it's not a kinyan. Not because he can do a kinyan in any other thing in the world. He can buy houses, he can do, and it's 100%. Woman, he cannot make a kinyan in. Why? שלא הביא שתי שערות. Because it's true he's above 13 years old, but he didn't mature. He did not become an adult male. That's his problem. What do you mean he did not become an adult? He's 20 years old, and he still did not go through the, what do you call it? Through, what's the name? Yes, something like that. He did not go through becoming an adult. The hormones didn't change by him, whatever it is.
He's like 9 in a day.
That's right, he's like 9 in a day. בין תשנים ויום אחד ובין 20 שנה שלא הביא שתי שערות, whether he's 20 years old that did not bring two hairs, דינם שווה. They are exactly the same. לכל מה ששנינו לעיל. Until when? Until he's going to be 35 years old. Once he becomes 35 years old, even though he did not bring two hairs, then it catches. עד שיהיה בין 35 שנה ויום אחד. Until he's going to be 35 years old in one day. שכל זמן שלא הביא שתי שערות, נידונו כקטן. Because as long as he doesn't have two hairs, we're going to consider him with like a קטן. ברם, משהגיע ל-35 שנה ויום אחד. What happened once he reached 35 years old, ולא הביא שתי שערות, and he did not bring two hairs, הרי הוא גדול לכל דבריו. Then we can say that he's גדול for sure. אלא, but if that's the case, if he did not bring two hairs, we know something else about him. He's seris chama. That's why he's not bringing he cannot bring children. Somebody who's not bringing two se'arot means there's a problem in his male. Yeah. So therefore, he will not be able to get. So he's seris chama. And then we have the debate. Seris chama is allowed to get married and not allowed to get married. Yeah, you remember the debate over there? I don't even remember it. There's saris b'dei adam, that's for sure not, and saris chama, it says safek, maybe yes, maybe not. Yeah, up to him.